Madrid. Wake up. A heartbeat sounds. It can't be explained. It's felt. Connect with the rhythm of this city, because that's what it's about. Connecting. Connecting with the music. Connecting with the light. When I DJ, I don't think about the songs. I think about my crowd. House isn't just music. It's a language. Madrid breathes differently at night. Freer, rawer, more real. And there was a moment when I began to feel. The party isn't about escaping. It's about finding yourself. I found myself in the adrenaline, in the emotion. And then, silence. And even in the silence, I could still feel.
They must be true to what they believe in. Obsession, where all of us, that's why you became a DJ.
La música electrónica para mí es un lenguaje universal y es donde se junta todo, ¿no? No da igual el ser humano en todos sus aspectos. Nos unimos con la música y al final eso es lo mejor que tiene la música electrónica y la música en general.
Me transmite muchísimo amor, me llena, siento que esta música puede cambiar el mundo.
No tiene fronteras la música, es pura conexión, no hace falta hablar, solo se disfruta, así que benditos seamos todos que podamos disfrutar de la música.